This is 13057 on the Msc Seashore. So far, first impressions, amazing. There you got your safety briefing in various languages. Here you got your shelving. Here you got your mini bar. Let me see. You just literally got in the room. It's stocked. I would assume that's an extra charge, but I'm not sure. We got a balcony room, and guess what? Next to us is the Symphony of the Seas. Also in port, we have the Wonder of the Seas. We're right next to the Disney Cruise Line terminal. There is the Symphony of the Seas, and oh, you cannot see it, but kind of like in front of us is the Wonder of the Seas. We're at Port Canaveral in Orlando. So let's see. This is the third bed. And this is the third bed right here. Here you have more drawers, more storage. You have a hairdryer. All right. And here you have lighting, a little bit more storage there, a safe. This is your closet. And right here we have the bathroom, shelving over there, shower. That's it for now.